Welcome to this video on food safety and hygiene principles. My name is Juliet, and today we will be looking at how to ensure health and quality in every meal we prepare. Food safety is a shared responsibility from farm to table. High standards are essential for preventing foodborne illnesses. In this video, we will explore 7 key pillars that form a comprehensive framework for safe food management. The first pillar is personal hygiene. Because people are a common source of contamination, follow these protocols. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. Stay home if you are feeling unwell, and always wear clean clothes and appropriate protective equipment.
The video presentation you just watched was generated using AI tool. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Google Vids to convert your static PowerPoint or PDF slides into a professional, informative video presentation. You don't need any video editing skills because the tool uses AI to generate scripts and voiceovers to do the heavy lifting for you. We will cover how to use landscape mode to enable the conversion feature, add auto captions, and finally download your finished project as an MP4 file. Let's dive in and transform your slides today. Okay, how do you convert your slides into informative video presentation using Google Vids? You must have your Google account, and let's go to the right hand side. You scroll here, then you see Vids, VIDX, Google Vids. You click on it, you click on Vids. Vids is owned by Google Vids, and it brings out this interface. You can see this interface, and with different aspect ratio, we have landscape mode, we have portrait mode, we have square. If you want a landscape mode, you click on it. If you want the portrait mode, you click on, but only the landscape mode can help you convert your slide into video presentation. If you click on this portrait, you will discover that there's nothing like slide conversion. Square, the same thing. But if you click on landscape, you will see here convert slides, and what you need to do is to click on convert slides. Click on it. Okay, we are there now. You can see up here you have recent, you have upload. You can get your slide. You can upload a slide presentation, whether you have it on PowerPoint presentation or you have it on the PDF. You can go to your drive. Okay, you can click on share with me. You can go to your computer, but I'm going to be using the recent information I have. Okay, let me click on food safety and hygiene. There's a PowerPoint presentation on food safety and hygiene. There's a slide presentation on food safety and hygiene. Okay, it could be any form of presentation in any format, but let it be a presentation. You click on this. Okay. Then you click on the select. Then when you click on select, it comes out like this. You can see now. It comes out like this. I have this presentation already. It means that 12 out of 12 slides selected. Then you look at the slides that are not necessary. The one that lacks the slide that lacks picture, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I want us to look at all the slides. Make sure that your slide must be well informed. All necessary things must be located in the slides before you are able to convert it from slide to video presentation. So all these, the ones you don't want, you have to deselect it. You can go ahead and select. If you want to remove this one, okay, you can click on this and click on this. So these two are removed. You can see now 10 out of 12 slides selected. So you can go ahead and click on next to convert your slide presentation into a video presentation. You click on it. Okay. Then it begins to script. It begins to script every slide. You can see this page. Every slide page, you can see this one. It's a welcome to this video on food safety and hygiene principles. You can see my name is Juliet. Okay, in fact, it will mention the name of the facilitator as it is in the front page of the slide presentation. Whatsoever you include there is what it's going to say. You can see this one, the same thing. The script has been generated for every slide. You can see now in the document. Now you can check AI voiceover. You can see the voiceover you really want to use. This is a voiceover. It's a smooth medium pitch. Let's click on it and see what it gives to us.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will respond to your video. It should fit your video's purpose and...
Okay, if you really want to choose any other voiceover, you can click on this pencil icon, select a voiceover style. You click on it, you look at this. This is a teacher. Let's see.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers...
Okay, we have an explainer.
The voice you select makes a difference in how...
We have a motivator.
The voice you select makes a difference.
We have an educator.
The voice you select makes a difference.
A persuader.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers...
The voice you select makes a difference.
Okay, let's use...
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will respond to your...
Okay, let's use the educator. Let's click on it, educator. Use this voiceover, okay? Click on it. Okay, animation, syntax and image animation, timing to the moment is mentioned in AI voiceover, okay? You select that, create a draft video. So you are going to create the video now. It will convert it from slides to video presentation. Let's click on create. So that is what it's doing right now. Let us wait and see what it gives to us. Okay, I think we have it right now. Let us see. And it is more than 2 minutes here. You can see the timing here. It automatically goes to the timeline of Google Vids. This is the timeline where you can edit the video. Let's play and let's see what we get there.
Welcome to this video on food safety and hygiene principles. My name is Juliet, and today we will be looking at how to ensure health and quality in every meal we prepare. Food safety is a shared responsibility from farm to table. High standards are essential for preventing foodborne illnesses. In this video, we will explore 7 key pillars that form a comprehensive framework for safe food management. The first pillar is personal hygiene. Because people are a common source of contamination, follow these protocols. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. Stay home if you are feeling unwell, and always wear clean clothes and appropriate protective equipment. The second pillar is cleaning and sanitization. Remember that clean is visual, but sanitized means reducing microbes. Sanitize countertops and boards after every use, deep clean appliances regularly, and ensure dishes are air-dried or dried with disposable towels. Third, we must prevent cross-contamination. Use color-coded boards to separate raw meats and produce. Store raw meat on the lowest shelf to prevent drips, and never use the same knife for raw and cooked items. The fourth pillar is temperature control. Bacteria thrive in the...
You can see how... you can see this is what AI can do. You don't need you don't need video editing skills. You only need to understand how to use this tool to generate your video presentation. And there are several features by the right hand side here. Okay, in case you want to change 1 or 2 things, and you can decide to add more voice. You can decide to change and include some images here. Look at this one. Look at this one. You can just click on this. You can click on this. You can see you can look for image lines too. Let's see what we can do here now. Okay, copy. Okay, we have copy now. We have okay, click on this, paste. Okay, we have this, and we have we can go to stocks. Oh yeah, you can go to stocks and search for something that looks like food safety. Let's say okay, something that relates to that. Okay, you can see now we have something like this. Okay, I click on this. Aha, you can see now. You can just decide to bring it here. That is it. Yeah, you can do something like that. Nature. You can see this now. Edit the image. You can see animation. You can format options. Okay, you can just put it here. Yeah. Okay, you can add to this slide presentation whatsoever you need to add. Let's click on this now.
Ensure health and quality in every meal we prepare. Food safety is a shared responsibility from farm to table. High standards are essential for preventing foodborne illnesses. In this video, we will explore 7 key pillars that form a comprehensive framework for safe food management. The first pillar is personal hygiene. Because people are a common source of contamination, follow these protocols. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water.
Okay, that is that. You can leverage these tools by the right hand side. You can even decide to add 1 or 2 voiceovers. You can see the captions here. Let's look at the captions. We have captions here. Okay, let's click on the captions here. Let's start from the beginning, and you can see this is a caption. I can decide to use this caption as the voiceover is going on, as the presentation is going on. Okay, let me look at the best caption for this. Let's see. Okay, let me use the first one. I click on this caption. It automatically goes there. Okay, see, because no spoken audio was detected, and okay, let's see.
Welcome to this video on food safety and hygiene principles.
Yeah.
My name is Juliet.
Yeah, it developed. Yeah, you can see now. You can see we have a caption here now. Okay.
And today we will be looking at how to ensure health and quality in every meal we prepare. Food safety is a shared responsibility from farm to table. High standards are essential for preventing foodborne illnesses. In this video, we will explore 7 key pillars that form a comprehensive...
That is that. That is that for the caption. You can see. You can continue that now.
comprehensive framework for safe food management. The first pillar is personal hygiene. Because people are a common source of contamination, follow these protocols. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. Stay home if you are feeling unwell, and always wear clean clothes and appropriate protective equipment. The second pillar is cleaning and sanitization. Prevent drips, and never use the same knife for raw and cooked items. The fourth pillar is temperature control.
Okay, that is it now. We have this now. That is it. You can decide to, you click on this place, you can decide to download it, and yeah, you can decide to download it. You can see, let's say MP4 video. Oh, you've downloaded it now. Let's click on this. Let's see, let's click on it and see what it gives to us here.
Welcome to this video on food safety and hygiene principles. My name is Juliet, and today we will be looking at how to ensure health and quality in every meal we prepare. Food safety is a shared responsibility from farm to table. High standards are essential for preventing foodborne illnesses. In this video, we will explore 7 key pillars that form a comprehensive framework for safe food management. The first pillar is personal hygiene. Because people are a common source of contamination, follow these protocols. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. Stay home if you are feeling unwell, and always wear clean clothes and appropriate protective equipment. The sixth pillar involves safe storage.
That is just it. All these places that we have no image, you can do it the way I did it, and generate an image using the available tools here. Yeah, to cover up every other place that are no image. You can see this is how you can leverage on the Google AI tools and technology tools to optimize your slide presentations. If you have a slide presentation, a slide in whether in PDF format or you have it in PowerPoint format or whatever presentation format, and you can decide to upload it here and use Google Vids to transform it from slide into video presentation. Thank you so much. I want you to subscribe to my channel and also like and comment. Be the best.